Hi there, Dave here with the fifth video about how to maintain the Casa del Pilato website. In this video we're going to create a new page and then hook that page up to the menu system. The page we're going to create is going to be a page of YouTube videos. In fact, to be the video that you're looking at now. We'll put the first couple up there and take a look at them. So every new page has got to be based on an existing page. And probably the page that works the best is the one that we've been playing with already, which is local. And so this is the local, and it looks like this. It's just got a Dropbox interface here, and then it's got some words up here. So we'll just throw all that stuff away. But it does have the Facebook down here and the email, so we'll use this one. That'll work. And we could change the images or whatever, but let's keep it simple. So in order to base a new page on an existing page, what we do is we come over here and we go to our pages and we select the one we want to base it on, which is local, and we just say duplicate this. And that link is to a widget that I added to the website that allows us to duplicate pages rather than starting from ground zero each time. So once again, it's another interface to a widget, which is part of the plugin group. So now we have a new page called Local Draft. Well, let's go change that to name, and let's go see what we got. Let's go change it. So we'll go ahead and edit this guy. And we probably should have maybe gone to another page. Doesn't matter. So here we are. So we don't want to call it local. We want to, let's call it maintain Casa del Pilato videos. Great. And we'll put it into just maintain. So we'll just call this maintain. And there we go. So now we've got a new page. All of its stuff is in maintain. And there's its title. Now we know that everything is inside of our site origin hero here. And in fact, everything is inside of the panel. So we'll go inside of this frame. And what we're going to do then is we're going to select all of this stuff, which is what we don't want. Well, we want a title, I guess. So the title will be maintain Casa del Pilato. And then we'll have our videos down below this. So let's get rid of this. Okay, now we're going to want YouTube videos. Oh, there's a YouTube thing there. So we'll go down to the next page and we'll select this YouTube guy. And it says it makes it easier to embed. Well, what are we going to put there? Well, here's my YouTube videos, and here's this one here. So let's see if we select this guy. Oh, it's going to there it is. Oh, there is the link to it, so we should be able to copy that guy and place it into our embed a single video. So let's do embed a single video, and then what we're going to embed is that link, and we'll go ahead and submit this and see what we wind up with. Okay, we're going to insert it into editor, and there we have the video. But look, we're in the visual editor, and that is code. That is HTML code to embed it. So we can't do this. What we want to do is cut it, and this we just want to have it go back to a new line. Now we want to get out of the visual editor and into text. Now we go down below the heading we just put in right here, and that's where we place our embedded video. And so if we say we're done, let's do one more. All right, so we're in, once again, we're in the text editor, and let's go ahead and add a line, which I did. And now let's go get the next video, which would be number 2. Now, I think what I can do is I can just say save link. Oh yeah, save link as copy link location. I think that's all I need there. And now I can come back over to this guy here, and I can go ahead and add another YouTube. So let's go ahead and add another YouTube guy, and we're going to it's coming up. And there we go. We're going to embed another video, and there is the video that I just copied, and I go ahead and submit that. We'll go ahead and insert that into the editor, and now we've got another embed. And I'm going to go put it on the next line. You see where it is there? Now I got them on separate lines. I like that. So now we're going to go ahead. We've got 2 of them. That's what we said we were going to do. Let's go ahead, and now what we have to do before it'll actually show is we have to publish this page, and then we're going to have to go hook it up to a menu item. So let's go ahead and publish the page. Once again, it won't be seen by the outside world until it's published. So now our page is published. So now we can go ahead and make a menu item for it. So what we want to do is we want to put it inside of these menus here. See, we have a Dropbox administration. You can only select this if you're an administrator. If you're an ambassador, you can select this if you're an administrator or an editor. So we want to have it like the Dropbox administration, where you'll only see it. Once again, it will only be visible if in fact you're an administrator. So let's go ahead and add that guy. So in order to do this, we come down to the appearances, and we come up here to menus. And now we're going to go to the menu here. And we have the Ambassador program here. There's a menu item. And then we also have the Dropbox administration. Those are two. We want ours between there. And so the way we get that is we come over here to a list of all the pages. And there's the new page. And so we select this page. And then we say we want to add to menu. So let's go ahead and add that to the menu. And it's going to add it down at the bottom. And there it is. But where we want this is we want it up. So we move it up to where we want it, right between those two. Notice that we moved it in to line up with the other ones. And now it is a sub item right where we wanted it to be. Now the only thing is that we can see that here this is an administrator. Here it's just a sub item. We want to make it if it's administrator. Notice I said this was if it's an editor and administrator. That's the one more rule. Okay. So let's do the same thing here. We're going to click on this guy and here we can see that we want to enable the visibility rule, and this is the one that we want. So we want this, for this guy. This is the one that we're looking for, not that guy. There it is. We want to enable the visibility if administrator. That's the one we want. Yep, that's it. And so that's just what we want. So we can say save the menu. And as soon as we do that, we've got our new menu item. Okay, so let's save everything and make sure that everything's just copacetic. All right. Everything should be saved at this point. So we should be able to now go back out to our website. Notice that we haven't refreshed this. But when we refresh this page, we should now see that, yep, we have Ambassador program. We also have Maintain Casa del Palato, the videos. And if we select this, we're presented with a new page, and there's the first two videos. And if we select one, and we'll make it be quiet, we can in fact have it be full screen. No problem at all. And everything seems like it's working just fine. So there you go, a new page, and you can go to this page to look at all the videos. Take care.